oil change on this 700 Prairie that got in the other day. I know this may be a very simple video, but maybe some might help out some people. Just letting it warm up running. There's a drain pan. Got the old outdoor creeper there. And use this company, old Cycle Max. They make kits. Give you the old crush washer there for the bottom of the drain plug. Name brand parts. There's your filter number there. And then I use the name brand oil in these automatic transmissions. So I have to go ahead and pay a little extra money for those. And it's going to be 17 millimeter for drain plug. I get filter wrench there, a pair of gloves. Alright, just got her warmed up so the oil comes out just a hair bit easier. I'll slide on here, get that drain plug out, have it drain out. Again, 17 millimeter on it.
If you with it, drop it.
Alright. Again, they got the new washer there for your drain plug. And open where your fuel cap is. Helps vent the case and let your oil come out a little easier. Some of these tools cleaned up here. Take your old washer off, put your new one on, thread it back in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Move it around over here. All right, right there's your spin-on filter. There's your part number. You want to cross-reference if you got a Napa filter, or get a Napa filter or a Wix. There's that one for what came off. Part number for your Kawasaki. Yeah. Take and lube your O-ring. Just grab you a little bit of this old oil on your finger and just do you a nice little fan bead around it. Spin till it seats against the block. Give it a good quarter to a half turn. That's all you need. Once the O-ring seats to the motor. Alright. After that, come up here. Here's where you check it and refill. That's for your coolant. We'll add in the 2 quarts of oil. We'll give her a check. That paper that has their information on it is a funnel that they'll send you in their kits, along with, like I said, that new crush washer for the bottom of your motor there. Pour it in. If you was unsure of why oil bottles are designed this way, it's where you hold them this way and they don't glug when you pour them out. If you turn it the other way, it gets air trapped in them.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, there's the 2 quarts in. I like to use the full synthetic. Of course, you can use a regular blend or a blend of synthetic and base oils. That is your choice. Take this out, give it a little wipe down. Drop her back in. I always check it just to the threads. Some say screw them in, some just say check it to where it's to the thread. Most Kawasaki's are this way. Of course, revert to your owner's manual. And pull it out. We're right here in the hash marks. So we're good to go. I'm gonna crank it up, check for leaks, let it get into the oil filter, and we'll be done. All right, just a quick little tip. When you get oil that's on your skid plate there, you can take your skid plate off when you do this, but it's a little more troublesome. Just take your little parts cleaner, spray up in there. It'll thin it out. Just let it run down in your pan. That'll help clean that oil off there. Just a little tip I thought I'd mention. Alright, one other thing I'd like to do, once I run it through and get it full in the filter, the oil in the oil filter, I'll let them sit for a few minutes, and then I'll come back and let everything drain down. Check, again, it's in the hash marks, so we're in the specs for it. That's all.